Hi guys, welcome to my channel Oztech. If you are new to the channel, thank you for tuning in. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. What is it you want me to make? Please type it in the comments section so that I can see it, and then go ahead and make it. Okay, so today we are making a drain cleaner. Drain to clean, unclog your drains. There's an easy way. You don't need to be wasting money on plumbers. You don't need to be using a lot of strength anymore. So with this chemical, it's very active. It works so well. I've been using it and selling it to people. It works so well. So before we start introducing our ingredients, let's talk about warning sign. Okay, please, all the equipment you are using for chemicals, soap and detergent, they need to be separate from the equipment you are using in your kitchen. And please don't make these products in your kitchen. Don't make it where there are kids as well. Another thing is, when you finish making them, all the remaining ingredients you have, package it in a safe place where kids cannot easily access them. Don't drink any chemical. Don't inhale it. Don't try to perceive the odor or let me know how this chemical smells, no, don't do any of those things, please. They will harm you. And when you are making your chemical, wear gloves always. You must also wear mask, although I'm not wearing one here, okay, because I'm just making a small batch. But if it's your first time, please wear. Some people, they can't stand the smell of a strong ingredient or any form of anything, so you don't know if you are that type until it happens. So please wear mask always. You can also wear your goggles, forget to prevent splash to your eyes, and then wear clothes that is covering yourself, because I've been making this for a long time. I wear clothes that covers myself very well whenever I'm making big batch. This is just a 500-gram batch, so there's no much to it, okay? But when you are making it for the first time, please cover yourself. Prevention is better than cure, so kindly please do that. So let's go ahead and introduce our ingredients. So with our ingredients, we are using caustic potash, 45% strength. Caustic potash is the same as sodium potassium, okay? So we are using 45% strength, and then we are using hypo. Hypo is the same as sodium hypochlorite or chloride. Sodium hypochlorite, sodium hypochlorite. It's the same thing. It's just that different countries use either hypochlorite or hypochlorite. Okay, so it's the same thing. And then the third ingredient we have is water. So how to mix your caustic potash? If you can't find the solution one already, you can easily buy the solution one already. But if you don't have this solution one already, like in form of lye, if you don't have that one or you can't access it, you can easily buy the powder one or the flakes one. Okay, so I will drop the ingredient for the flakes one, so because I make my lye myself. Okay, so what you need to do is you will measure your caustic potash and your water. Always your caustic potash goes inside the water, not the other way around. Water must not go inside the potash, okay? The potash goes inside the water always. It's just like sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide goes inside the water always, and not the other way around. It's the same thing as caustic potash as well. So, and when you are making this, you want to make it outside where the ventilation is very good, because when you pour potash inside water, a reaction form, a boiling reaction, very hot one, and it has this flame, like flame smoke or steam that comes out of it. So you don't want to do it in a closed tight place. You want to do it outside and allow it to cool down before you now start making your formulation now. Okay, so that's what you need to do. If you follow this, you won't have any side effect or harming yourself in any way. So kindly please follow this direction and be careful when you are combining your ingredients. You don't want to harm yourself while you're trying to help yourself at the same time. So now we go ahead. So we have our premix already, caustic, potash and water here, which is our caustic, our potash line. And then we have our hypo here, hypochlorite or sodium hypochlorite or sodium hypochlorite, either one you call it in your country. So now we are pouring it inside our line, and then you stir it while mixing it together. Just give it a thorough stir together. And your drain cleaner is ready. Okay, your drain cleaner is ready. Go ahead and package it in a tight container, a container that is not translucent or transparent or see-through. You want a container that's not see-through, okay, so that the light reflection will not go through that container, because when light reflection start going through the transparent container or translucent, the strength of the effect of this drain cleaner will start to reducing. Okay, that's why you see bleach, for example, they are always packed in container that are not see-through, because the amount of light that goes through reduces their strength. So kindly pack yours as well in non-see-through container and give it a thorough stir. Okay, okay. So the rest of the formulation should be whitish, okay, or pale like mine, like this. Okay, so that is the end of our formulation. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you guys for tuning in.